Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging so the laptop can communicate with your phone. This is necessary for advanced control. Once done, plug a quality data-capable USB cable into both devices or set up the phone on the same Wi-Fi network for wireless methods. Make sure you install OEM drivers or ADB on the laptop. Without drivers, file transfer and screen capture tools won't work. These steps get you past setup and into action quickly. Once connected, open your chosen tool, SCRCPY for low latency free control, Vicer for a GUI, or your phone for integrated sync, and grant the phone permission prompt immediately. Make sure the phone is in the correct USB mode, file transfer for media or ADB for full input control. Adjust resolution and bitrate in the app settings to balance performance and quality, and verify touch input and audio forwarding so you can interact naturally from the laptop. To finish, lock any required permissions and keep the phone awake in developer settings so the session stays active. Then export or backup important files and settings. If something breaks, first toggle USB debugging off and on, reconnect the cable, and reinstall drivers. That resolves most recognition issues. If USB remains unreliable, switch to the wireless fallback. Configure ADB over TCP/IP or use the app's Wi-Fi mode, and you'll be back in control without a cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.